everybody, welcome back to Miriam Cast channel. In this video we are going on our first train ride in India. Super exciting. So we literally just bought our tickets. We paid only 30 rupees for 2 people, super cheap. I'm super curious what it's gonna be like because from all the stories and all the videos it looks absolutely hectic, but we will see, right?
Tickets. Now let's go find out where the train is going to
be. So I don't know why, but we're having a difficult time in actually finding the platform. There are so many trains here. We just have to find our train somehow. Platform number 3.
I don't see it through, but I'm guessing.
So this train doesn't have any specific classes. From what I know, we're just getting on like a general train. So possibly it's gonna be busy, but I don't know. What the hell? So from what we noticed so far, all of the trains we have been seeing are super long. Like, look at it, guys. Oh my days, so long. And this train over here, this really long train, is actually a sleeper train because I can just see the writing sleeper. We will be taking this train one day on our travels, super exciting. But today, our first train is just going to be a normal train. So this is the train that we have to get on. From what it looks like, yeah, there is a lot of people waiting, but there's not a lot of people on the train. Everybody seems to be pushing in. So we're on the train now. Luckily we got seats. It's not too bad. The train really looks modern. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this, guys, but we are leaving Kochi and we're going to our first location in India, which is Alleppey. I'm like super impressed with this train. It's really clean and relaxing. Not a lot of people. Maybe it's because it didn't come from another location. I think this was like the first location, so pretty easy. Because we have a baby, obviously we want everything to go as smooth and as easy as possible. So we are in luck today, everybody.
And everyone is good. She's being a little bit clingy at the moment, but she's behaving. Mom. By going off first impressions with the train system here in India, it's quite easy to travel by. We even got an app here that shows you live where the train is, where you need to go. The app is called Ixigo Trains, and you can book all your train tickets, bus tickets. It shows all the times. Pretty much you can plan your trip on it.
So let's see what the toilet is like. I'm not sure if anybody's in there. Nope. Interesting. Let's close this so nobody comes in and give a little tour of the toilet on this train. Hello everybody. Look at this sink. Oh my gosh. It is blocked. And then we have a toilet. This is a toilet. And that's pretty much it. For blokes, this is probably super easy. But for girls, probably more difficult. And some brave person was even smoking a cigarette in here. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that is a tour of the toilet for you. You even have a hanger. So if you're willing to put your bags in here, go for it. After the toilet, I was gonna wash my hands, but as you saw, the toilet sink is blocked. So I guess we won't be doing that right now.
How much?
30.
Thank you, sir.
So we just got ourselves these kind of like puffy donuts, but not really donuts. It is made out of lentils, as far as I know, isn't it? Cold?
Cold,
But Josh is hungry, so he really wants some. We always see so many people walking around trying to sell stuff, waters, food, drinks, hot drinks, but we never like sure if we should get some because we don't know how long it's been there and if it's fresh. But Josh has attempted it, so we'll see if he gets food poisoned. Yeah?
No, but it's not meat. It's not meat or anything like that. So it's like I find it really hard to be getting sick of this. It's just flour and water.
So possibly in my next vlog you'll see Josh sick. We'll see. But I'm gonna try one myself because I'm hungry too, and we haven't really thought about food, have we? Good. I think Josh wants to get some more.
Yeah, one blender. One blender.
And here we are. And that is a train journey complete. You'll see yourself on YouTube soon, don't worry. And that is basically it for this video. This train journey was super easy, super good, and really slow actually. But finally we got here to our new location. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And apart from that, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye!